Welcome back. Very special calorified punching. A calorified punching kind of technique. Any punch you do, any martial art you do, some kind of reverse punch or any kung fu punch, it is all indirectly connected to calorified because calorified is the mother of all martial arts. So what I was saying is, then मेरे को दिखाओ ना. हाँ, तो क्या है कि मतलब calorified में एक इस तरीके के पंच होते हैं जिसमें आप almost cheating करिए. There is no cheating in fighting, but still it is a punch that you cannot see, right, sir?
Yeah.
So, sir, what is this technique called?
This is sort of chadikutu.
Okay,
Cheating.
chadi means
Cheating.
cheating, and
But it is not
punch means
exactly
punch.
cheating.
Okay.
It is
A
an
technique.
invisible one.
Okay.
You cover with your body and punch. That
Right,
is-
right. Technique, a punch that you cannot block is most probably the punch that you cannot see. And in this position, many of you are saying this is not calorified, this is spinning back fist they use in kind of MMA. Okay, all that is part of. All that is a part of calorified. Of course, this punch is somewhat like this, and with a back fist or with a hammer fist, you can use a punch like this.
Even without that, we can do. Suppose
Like
a
self-defense
situation like this, he is just charging me.
Okay.
So charging me. Then I can do that. Right?
Okay.
Like one, yeah, pop. Okay.
So it is almost unexpected because if you're turning this side, nobody expects a punch from inside, right? So it is covered by the body, right?
Like you are at my back.
Okay.
You are at my back.
Self-defense kind of
Yeah,
situation, right?
you are at my back.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot see my hand.
Okay, right.
I'm
I
just
can
covering
see
my.
this. I can control this.
I can just cover my fist with my body.
Wow.
You cannot see.
Okay.
Then just removing this, it is good.
Okay.
So it is like it is unexpected.
Right.
Cannot break.
Okay. Because I can't see, I cannot block.
Yeah.
And this technique, if done in sparring or fighting a fighter, maybe you can include some back fist or spinning elbow or hammer
that
fist.
is for the cheating purpose. Just a fake movement.
Yes, because if you are a fighter, you understand what I'm saying. I'm over here, I do some fake something. I'm moving like this. You can expect a spinning back kick. You can expect a spinning kick. You can expect a spinning hammer fist or a back fist. But you don't expect a body shot after that. It is.
Yeah, it is.
It is kind of unexpected. I'm turning here, and this is what I do. It looks like it's a wasting of the spinning energy, but
Not
it is
exactly.
not.
In a modern martial art like karate, also, you must have seen the Asai Sensei's
Okay.
movement. We will put the clipping in that.
There is a whole kata in which they use this movement with down block and they punch. So it is the same concept, turning this side but using the back hand.
You are turning. I am expecting this hand.
Yes.
That hand is actually operating.
Okay.
Just see. I am just. If I am a fighter, he's turning. Then I am blocking it. This is.
I can plan for a good liver shot.
Yeah.
Okay, and you know how damaging it can be, right?
Because of the reverse sort of punch is coming.
Yes,
Reverse.
it is a reverse punch.
Reverse.
Karate reverse punch, but
Yeah.
in a colorist style.
You can use a sweeping kick also. Right?
Sweeping, okay.
Sweeping like the body turn, and doing. So you can do like this. Okay.
Okay, I understand. Okay. तो कहने का मतलब इतना है, फाइटिंग में, स्पारिंग में, स्पोर्ट्स काइंड ऑफ फाइटिंग में, सेल्फ डिफेंस में, हर जगह आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. बॉडी को एक कवच बनाते हुए नीचे से अनएक्सपेक्टेड तरीके से पंच करना है. हाँ, स्पिनिंग बैक फिस्ट ज्यादा पावरफुल हो सकती है. हाँ, आप स्पिनिंग हैमर फिस्ट या फिर स्पिनिंग एल्बो ज्यादा यूजफुल हो सकती है, ज्यादा पावरफुल हो सकती है, लेकिन हमेशा नहीं होता. एवरी टाइम इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. मे बी समबडी कैन ब्लॉक इट, राइट?
This is unexpected. I am blocking here.
This one can
I'm
be
blocking.
blocked, but this one is not blocked. In calorified techniques क्या होती है? Weapons के साथ, just like they say in Kali and Eskrima, what can be done with your punches can be done with knives. Imagine I am having a knife in my hand, right? अभी हम knife से fight कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसे में ये पता नहीं चलता कब आया कब लगा, right?
That is it.
तो मतलब आपको बॉडी को कवच बनाते हुए ऐसे कर सकते हैं. हाँ, अलग टेक्निक्स भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, स्पिनिंग बैक फिस्ट इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके साथ ये करेंगे तो इट विल सेट अप chance for you to plan another attack. Like ये अगर land हो जाता है एक अच्छा body shot, right? If that lands to the liver, okay, that is good for you, bad for the other guy, right?
Don't do.
Okay? Yes. रही बात इस वीडियो की, वो बिल्ली को लेके आते हैं. रुको. हाँ, बोल दूँ?
वो कह रहा है if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe and press the बेचैन आत्मा.
Press the bell icon.
We have come to a place where every 20 minutes one rape case is recorded. In most of these cases, the victims could actually protect themselves. I mean, how hard can it be? Fight back, shout, call for help, do something. No, it is not that easy. This is real life violence. This does not happen with a warning. It is not a fighting match. This is not a game. This is life and death. Even a professional fighter will tell you the same thing. A real life violent situation is more difficult than any world championship. Handling such a situation takes training, self-defense, situation analysis, awareness. Self-defense is not just punches and kicks. It's not some fancy item in your workout list that you practice once in a month. It is an attitude to protect yourself from any harmful situation. You have to be very strong at situation analysis, to judge the situation beforehand, to be aware of what you are doing and what the situation is. You need to have awareness of the laws, of the options you have, of the right way of training. And guess what? Karate TV is coming up with this training. We are going to provide this training for girls and ladies. And of course, this training is provided free of cost. And this is a self-defense course with 3 levels, plus 1 professional course in which you learn how to teach self-defense to other girls so that you can share your knowledge. And this is conducted by Kyoshi Arundev, who is the Secretary General of Sagukai World Organization and also the head of this program. He has 25 years of experience in teaching martial arts to girls. He is taking seminars all over Kerala. He is an experienced teacher and knows how to handle student mentality, especially the girls. He is very good with small kids, as you can see, and he knows how to teach. That is the main thing. Knowing martial art and knowing how to teach it are 2 very different things, and Sensei Arundev is a master at both. This whole program is aimed towards mentally and physically making the girls stronger so that they already know who they are. They go back to their actual Shakti form. They are Shakti Rupa and they have to realize this. That is why our program is known as Namo Shakti. We are going up with this kind of attitude towards training. But for conducting online and offline classes, we are going to need some help because we need infrastructure where people can train, where girls can train. We need to build that atmosphere for online and offline classes. Help us to create this atmosphere where girls can train. And we need as many people as possible to support this initiative, contribute to this initiative. The link is given in the description, please.